Engo Active Look Eyewear. Hey, JB here, excited to discuss this. This is like a head-up display for running. Can this work for you? Pretty new technology. They have sent me this unit to try out for 60 days and then I got to send it back. But I want to talk about it a little bit and see if this is something that you would wear in your running or cycling or triathlon meets. That's really what it's about. So let's take it out and take a look at it to get started. So we're going to put it right here and open it up. These are the glasses, so they come in a pretty cool case. Let's flip that around. Now, I'm an eyeglass wearer, just real quick, and I'll show you. I typically, when I run, I wear these old Oakleys. So these are older Oakleys. This is kind of, so I'm used to a bigger glass anyways. But here, what do we got inside? Well, we have the glasses itself. Let's set those aside for right now. And then we have, let's open this up. In here, we have a Get Started Guide, Safety Book Guide. We have a charger. Okay, there's a charger that comes with it. We have a cleaning cloth and a holder. Okay, and then we have some miscellaneous stuff. Okay, these are like eyeglass holders, like remember for the like on the water. And then these look like some type of cleaning devices, like an advanced toothpick. Okay, so that's what we've got in the box. Let's get the glasses out themselves and take a look at these. So these are the Engo glasses. Okay, so here we go. These are not the photometric, I think they call them, where they can change colors. These are the standard glasses. I'm gonna move all this stuff out of the way so we just have the glasses. But here they are, the active lens glasses. Pretty bright, I mean, pretty reflective. You can see they're pretty reflective. And here's what we've got going on. So we've got a lot of stuff happening here. So that's my only concern, is there is a lot of stuff happening here compared to a regular pair of glasses. You can kind of see there's a lot of things going on. As far as size goes, let's come up here. You can see that there's the Oakleys, and then these suckers are pretty big. They're pretty big. Now I'm seeing some reflection inside. I've heard some complaints about that, where I am seeing kind of my eyeballs, which is annoying, but I am looking past. But there is a little reflective coating on there. These are a little dirty. I have not fired them up yet, so we're gonna do that. Okay, let's go ahead and clean these up. And then we're gonna fire them up a little bit. Okay, so like I said, it just seems like there's a lot going on here, and I can see the reflection of my eyeballs, which is a little annoying, but we'll see how this works. The idea or the concept is you can see your primary data without having to look at your watch, which obviously for somebody that's cycling, I think is better than somebody like me that's running. But it's still interesting that if I'm running, I'm a pace guy and a heart rate guy. So I wear a heart rate monitor. The only issue is we're going Bluetooth to heart rate to watch to glasses. So I wonder what the delay is. So we'll figure that out. I look kind of cool, don't I? Like the Terminator right now? I'm the Terminator guy. All right, so let's go ahead and set those aside. Let's get the quick start guide out. And it says, what do we need to do? I believe we have to turn them on. So we're gonna turn them on right here. Okay, and we push that down. And we'll see if that turns on. And I don't know how you know if they're on. There is a little sticker here that I'm gonna take off. And we're gonna, I think you just hit that. It says, let me get my glasses. To turn this on, we hit, here, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. It is on. I see the little green dot. So it is on. Then we've got the app and we've got to pair it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this because you don't need to be seeing all this, and we'll come back once I get this thing rocking. So I am back. You know, and I'm a geek for cool tech, and this is cool tech. We do have an issue that I didn't realize, which I'm a little bummed out about, is that they are not ready for the Fenix 8. So we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna make this an unboxing and see when they have the software update for the Fenix 8 Garmin, because it is not connecting. I was playing with it like everything in the Garmin 8, Fenix 8 reloaded, and I was like, what's going on? I was getting so frustrated, but then it turned out that the software's not ready. So we'll wait and see. Like I said, first reaction, unboxing here. I can't wait to try it. As I can see it, it's right here. A little annoying. I could see like speed skating maybe. I don't know about running. I'm gonna see it, you know, it might make me sick, like when you're glancing up there and seeing, but again, we're gonna wait and see. Pretty cool how tech is moving. I appreciate them sending it over. I've just got to wait for the Phoenix 8 to be available for us. Any questions? If you're using this device, how does it work for you? I think a lot more cyclists use it more than runners. The Engo unboxing, again, we're just going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to give a rating on this or anything, and you know, again, they sent it to me. I'm not getting paid. They let me do whatever I want here. I just got to kind of wait until the Phoenix 8. So one of the things I will tell you, if you are a Phoenix 8 user, let's wait till the software update. They don't have an update, but hopefully they'll get it done within my 60 days that I have this. I assume they will. And then a full review will be coming. So we went from kind of an unboxing and a full review to getting a little frustrated with it and realizing that this is just going to be an unboxing today. Interesting product. Really weird to see this here. What do you think? Would you wear these things? And I got to give you my opinion once I get the Phoenix 8 software updated, or they update their software. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up. Love you guys. And I'll be back with more videos right here on morningcoach.com. Go have a great one. Enjoy it.